Hi friends, welcome to my channel Go Code and Be Good. Big Data Hadoop Examination Tips and Tricks Part 5. We are going to see 20 question and answer. Such a very beautiful things like we have 100 marks, how to score the 100 marks. So with the explanation also given in this. So you can see a lot of things in this. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Big Data Hadoop Part 5, 20 question and answer with explanation. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So please, my dear friends, I request you to go to the first two videos. Lot of people are asking there is no any introduction, there is no any programming, how to do that. Please go to the first video, course introduction as well as the programming of Hadoop. So first go ahead with this course, then understand about the big data, what is MapReduce, MongoDB, and then lot of Sparks, so programming techniques or name node, lot of things is available. So once you understand those kind of things, so then you are really able to understand and then answer during your examinations also. Okay, let's see that what is the important of need of the hour now is certificate. Okay, so you people need to earn the certificate big data wherever the institution you are appearing for the examination. Tips and tricks is also given in this. So because certificate is very, very important, so to make the world convinced that you have a beautiful knowledge about big data, first of all, isn't it? So without a certificate, no one will believe you, first of all. So with certificate, yes, you are eligible to enter into the competition, challenges and everything, but to perform in the challenges, to perform within the boundary of the company, that is your talent, first of all. Okay, what is the importance of the certification? The link is given in the description. So please go ahead and then learn about what is the importance of this certification course and everything. So what is important? Please tell me. Yes, practice. Practicing on your own. If you practice, what you can do? You can progress in your life. So without progress, nothing is possible. So the progressing, the completions of the progress, the perfections will happen. So practice will bring you more progress. Progressing of everything will become perfections in this world. So question is given in the blue color, answer is in the yellow color. The more you practice, the more you perform. So what I made it like, take a cup of coffee, a notepad and pen. So be relax yourself with music. I made it very enjoyable music. So please first go through it. So then you will understand what is big data, Hadoop systems and everything. So then you will understand a lot of things. Are you ready? Okay, let's go for it.
So finally, let's learn and level up ourselves, and let us help and support others. So without pain there is no gain. I hope you like this video, so please give your valuable comments so that I can also level up myself, so and share to your beloved ones. So thank you very much and thanks for watching.